Hark, a herald voice is calling the melody. Melody note, alto, tenor, and bass. Melody note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hark, a herald voice is calling. Christ is nigh, it seems to say. Cast away the dreams of darkness, O ye children of the day. Startled at the solemn morning, let the earth-bound soul arise. Christ, her Son, all sloth dispelling, shines upon the morning skies. Lo, the Lamb so long expected comes with pardon down from heaven. Let us haste with tears of sorrow, one and all to be forgiven.